some more equations here. Y over 3 is 6. So y, I might actually have had that question already. Y is equal to 6 times 3. So y is equal to 18. Expand and simplify. Now notice the difference here. This is not an equation. There's no equal sign involved here. This is simply about expanding the brackets and then simplifying the expression that you have. Okay, so we'll expand the bracket first of all. So we have, let me just, I'm not sure if the quality will get better if I make it bigger. Slightly. Okay, so we've got, first of all, 4 times 2a. So that gives me 8a. Then 4 times positive 3, and always watch out for the sign. So that's 4 times positive 3 gives me plus 12, and we have then a minus 7 there as well. So that then leaves us with a final answer of 8a plus 12 minus 7 leaves me with 8a plus 5. Question 22. Solve the simultaneous equations. 3x minus 2y equals 14 and x plus 2y equals 10. Well, we are in a position here to cancel, so we're going to solve this by elimination. Okay, we're in a position to cancel, and I'm going to cancel the y terms. The signs of the coefficients of the y terms are different. In other words, we have minus 2y there and a plus 2y. So I'm going to cancel by adding. Okay, so let me just write down the two equations again. So I've got 3x minus 2y equals 14, and then x plus 2y equals 10. Okay, so I'll just write down what we're going to do here. We're going to eliminate y by adding. Apologies again for the handwriting. So we're going to eliminate the y terms by adding the two equations together. Okay, so we'll do that now. So 3x plus x gives me 4x. The y's cancelled, so minus 2y plus 2y means that they will cancel. And then 14 plus 10 gives me 24. 4x is 24, so very quickly I can solve that and see that x is equal to 6. And then I'm going to substitute that value for x. Let me just change color again. So I'm going to substitute that value of x being 6 back into the first equation here. So it's 3x minus 2y equals 14. Well, I know now that x is 6, so instead of 3x I can say 18. So 18 minus 2y equals 14. So minus 2y equals, let me just move that up a little bit. So minus 2y equals, okay, so now I've got 18 here. I've got to bring it over to the other side, so it becomes 14 minus 18. Okay, so whatever way you prefer to think of that, what you do to one side of the equation, you must do to the other. So we're taking away 18 from both sides. Okay, so that means that we have minus 2y equals minus 4. So that means that y must equal minus 4 divided by minus 2. Negative divided by negative gives me a positive answer. So y is equal to 2. So our solution is then that x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, you will have noted that this is a repeated question, so I'll just move on. Question 24D. X divided by 5 equals 4, so x is equal to 4 multiplied by 5, so x is equal to 20. That's all we have there. Okay, this time we have a two-step solution to get our answer, so there are 2 marks for this question. 4x plus 7 equals 13. I'm just going to write it again. over here to give myself a little more space. So the first thing I'm going to do is to move the plus 7. So 4x equals and 13, and remember we take away 7. Okay, so we've moved the plus 7 over to the right hand side of the equation, so we're taking away then. So 4x equals 13 minus 7, of course, is 6. So we have 4x is equal to 6. So x then is equal to 6, and we're dividing by 4. Okay, so you can of course leave your final answer. Is perfectly acceptable to leave it as that, as a fraction. It can be simplified, of course, 3 over 2, or perhaps you prefer the decimal 1.5, but I'm going to leave my answer as 3 over 2. Okay, it's difficult. It's more difficult than some of the earlier examples because this doesn't work out exactly. Okay, so commonly an error that people will make when you've got 4x equals 6. Okay, commonly people might become a little confused as to which way you divide and say that x is equal to 4 divided by 6. So sometimes people will divide the wrong way. Okay, so that's a common wrong answer. Okay. Uh, 5 plus y is 13. Well, that's straightforward. Y is equal to 13 minus 5, so y is equal to 8.